Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to disable price alerts on Bitget. Turning off price alerts helps reduce distractions and allows you to focus on your trading strategy without constant notifications. So, let's get started on how to disable price alerts on Bitget. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. At the top, tap on your username and go to the User Center. Now, go to the Notifications section. Here, you will see the Price Alerts option. Tap on the toggle switch right beside it to turn it off. When the switch turns green, your price alerts are now disabled. And this is how you can disable price alerts on Bitget. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.